Did somebody say IDE? All right, well, today we're going to look for a good IDE. We've got two top competitors. We're going to have a look at RubyMine. We're also going to have a look at Visual Studio Code. We want to know which is the better option. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's actually dive straight in. So let's have a look at RubyMine now. So RubyMine is a professional IDE for Ruby. It offers smart completion for Ruby and Rails projects. It's got integrated debugging and testing framework. It's got a visual query editor and a schema navigation system. It's also the seamless version control with conflict resolution is a fantastic integration. You can see it's got context-aware suggestions for Ruby and related technologies which improve your coding speed. It also has on-the-fly code inspection identities, which help you identify potential issues before runtime, and graphical breakpoints and step debugging, which simplifies complex troubleshooting. This is only some, again, of the amazing productivity features that RubyMine offers. The last thing we're going to have a look at is their web development support. So front-end tools, you can expect HTML, CSS, and SCSS editing with live preview capabilities. It has complete tooling for JavaScript, TypeScript, as well as CoffeeScript. You have a Docker integration for consistent deployment environments and a built-in REST client for endpoint testing as well as development. So VS Code is an AI coding assistant. It can help you enhance your coding workflow with its AI-powered assistant. It actually streamlines development through intelligent features and natural language conversation. You can see over here, we've got a couple features. They're intelligent suggestions. So it actually generates whole blocks of code as you type based on your original existing context, and then also it has style matching, so it analyzes your code base to match your coding style. So it's not just coding, but it's coding like you. Also, it's quite time saving, so it has a suggestions tab, and you can actually just tap it for faster development. And it has quite a vast knowledge. So it's trained on billions of lines of open source code, which is absolutely fantastic. So there we go. With so many options available, it's often difficult to make a decision and stick to the decision. My advice always is to try all of your options, even if it is for a short amount of time, just to see what actually works for you with a more hands-on approach, and then make a decision thereafter. Just remember that we're all individuals and we all have individual needs. If this was really helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.